Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master 09. Let us straight away go to our quiz. Cells must obtain nutrients and chemicals to function, while also getting rid of wastes. Homeostasis. Three phases of interphase. G1, S, and G2. G1 phase. Growth. S phase. Synthesis, and the cell copies the chromatin in its nucleus. G2 phase. Cells growth a little and prepares for division. One parent makes somatic cells, and daughter cells are identical. Two parent cells. Happens during mitosis. Asexual division. Two parents. Daughter cells have a combo of parents' genes. Happens during meiosis. Sexual division. Cell division is important for repair and replacement. Interphase, Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, Telophase, Cytokinesis, stages of mitosis. Chromatin condenses into chromosomes. Nuclear envelope breaks down. Spindle fibers form. Identical copies of the chromosomes are held together by a centromere and are called sister chromatids in the center. Prophase. Sister chromatids pairs line up across the middle of the cell, and spindle fibers attach to the centromeres of each sister pair, or what we call the shortest phase. Metaphase. Sister chromatids pull apart and individual chromosomes are pulled to the opposite side of the cell. Anaphase. Condensed chromosomes stretch out to form chromatin, and nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes, and spindles break apart. Telophase. Division of cytoplasm, organelles, and other material contained within a cell. Cytokinesis. One set is from the male parent and the other is from the female parent. Homologous chromosomes. Two of the 46 chromosomes in the human genome that determines the sex of the offspring. Those are 6 chromosomes. Non-sex chromosomes. Autosomal chromosomes. Meiosis 1, Prophase 1, Metaphase 1, Anaphase 1, Telophase 1, Meiosis 2, Prophase 2, Metaphase 2, Anaphase 2, Telophase 2. Stages of meiosis. What are gametes? Reproductive cells. What is a tetrad? Two sets of or 4 chromatids. Chromatin condenses into chromosomes, nucleus disappears, spindle fibers form, synapses occur, crossing over occurs. Prophase 1. Segments of homologous chromosomes within the tetrad break off and reattach. Crossing over. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master Part 9. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.